Welcome to Monster Truck Monday, Toddler Edition. Learning colors with monster trucks.
Ready, Georgie?
Yeah. Ready? Okay, let's do it.
Happy Monster Truck Monday!
Let's see how far he goes. Let's see what color it goes the farthest, Georgie. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, good job on the blue truck. Now we have the green truck. Whoa, the green is farther. Who's up next, Georgie? A gray truck. Whoa, oh, Megarex hit the deck. The yellow truck. Squish him down. Oh, look at that. The red truck. Whoa. So far the green is in the winning. Wow. Oh, look at that. The gray one hit the green one, George. Tiger shark. Whoa. Ooh, it looks like we've got a monster jam pileup happening here. Oh! We're gonna have to move this guy out of the way. And it's Pit Crew. Orange truck. Whoa! He crashed. We've got red truck Draganoid. He's crashed. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Smash. You're the star of the show?
What?
Okay, you're the star of this video, okay, buddy?
Oh, which one?
Orange.
Orange.
What's up next, George? Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Good job, Georgie. What do you think? Jumping break. Jumping, jumping. of a green truck. Whoa! Yeah. This is the gray truck. That's Mega Rex. There goes the red truck. Ooh, you have that yellow monster truck. That's Earthshaker. Who's up next, Georgie? Whoa! Whoa!
You gonna push him down? They're all here. Push him down.
Push him down, Georgie. Whoa! Whoa! Smash the like button. You are awesome. Bye-bye. There's a tornado coming.
Monster trucks, man.